This might be Samsung's smartest phone yet, and you don't even need to open it to see why. Meet the new Galaxy Z Flip7. It's compact, powerful, and packed with AI features that actually make life easier. The new 4.1-inch edge-to-edge display cover screen lets you reply to messages, snap selfies, and use AI tools, all without flipping it open. And when you do, you get a full 6.9-inch display that's smooth, bright, and seriously impressive. It's slimmer too, just 13.7mm folded, making it Samsung's most pocketable flip yet. The camera's got a 50-megapixel sensor and Samsung's next-gen Pro Visual engine. That means sharper, more vibrant shots, even in low light. FlexCam still lets you shoot hands-free from almost any angle, no tripod needed. Galaxy AI now helps you clean up your audio, slow down your videos with extra frames, and even separate voices from background noise. And it's not just about photos and videos. AI now understands complex voice commands, so you can control apps, set reminders, or get info just by talking. The new Now Bar and Now Breathe keep you updated with personalized info throughout the day, right from your cover screen. And if you see something interesting, just circle it and get instant Google results, no app switching. Want to see it in action? Head to your local JB or jbhifi.co.nz and check out the Galaxy Z Flip7 today.